Hi everyone and welcome. In this video, we are going to explain what the 50,000 Rand deposit verification is and why it matters to you as an investor. By law, any licensed financial institution like us is required to report to the Financial Intelligence Center when a client reaches 50,000 Rand in deposit. This means if you deposit 50,000 Rand, whether that's in one go or in small amounts over time, we are legally required to verify where that money comes from. This process exists to protect you and to keep our platform fully compliant with South African financial regulations. Being compliant means your money is safe, your account is legitimate, and you are protected as an investor. Now, the most important thing we want you to know. This does not mean your account will be frozen. This does not mean you can't make withdrawals. Everything continues as normal. We just need you to submit your proof of funds. We make this easy as possible. We'll remind you through push notifications on your phone, pop up inside the app, and SMSs so you won't miss it. Now let's jump into the app so I can show you exactly what this looks like and how simple it is to complete. Now I'm in the app, so I have received the pop-up notification to complete my 50K deposit verification. So I'm going to click on verify, and then it will ask you to verify. And then you're going to need to upload your bank statement, which I have already on my phone. And I continue. And then you will need to also insert your tax ID number. And then you complete. And then we'll be waiting for them to verify your documents. And then you will receive also a pop-up saying that your documents have been verified. And then everything is back to normal and you can continue investing. So let's say you have closed up the pop-up banner and you actually didn't verify it once you received the pop-up banner. So you also have it available in the app all the time. So you can go into your profile. Once you clicked on profile, you will see the verification progress. Then all you need to do is click on verify, and then you can continue verifying it the very same way we did. So this is always available in the app for you to verify it at any time you want to do it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and watch out for the next video.